Welcome! If you want to control how spoiler content appears in Discord after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to show spoiler content only when you click on it in the Discord app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, username, and a small gear icon right next to them. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you straight to your user settings. Inside the User Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Click on it to open up your chat preferences. Now scroll through the chat settings until you see the option called Show Spoiler Content. Here, Discord gives you a few choices for how spoilers are revealed in your chats. To make spoilers appear only when you click on them, select the option labeled On Click. This setting ensures that any message marked as a spoiler will stay hidden until you decide to reveal it, keeping surprises safe and giving you full control over what you see and when you see it. That's it! With this setting enabled, any spoiler tag text or images will remain concealed in your chats until you click on them. This is perfect for avoiding accidental spoilers in discussions about games, movies, or anything else you want to keep a secret. If you ever want to change this behavior, just revisit the same settings and choose a different option, like always showing spoilers or never showing them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more of our tips to get the most out of Discord. Enjoy your spoiler-free browsing.